Roots as fractional powers. From the definition of roots, we have the following shown on screen. This means we can write x as the following shown on screen. Hence, we can express y as the following shown on screen. Because multiplying n times both terms previously, we have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the two expressions are shown in the following on screen. These are equivalent, they show the same thing. In this way, it is easy to conclude that roots are nothing more but simply fractional powers. Example. Calculate the following values: a. 25 to the power of 1/2. b. 64 to the power of 1/3. c. -32 to the power of 1/5. Solution. From the roots, fractional powers equivalents, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.2.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 7.2.3, Properties of Roots. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.